How to email files with attachments. In this tutorial, we will learn how to attach files to a Yahoo Mail message. You can attach files to Yahoo Mail to email your family pictures, sound waves, programs, and other document. Well, we are using the Yahoo Mail message example in this tutorial, but you can do the same steps on any other mail service provider and you can send attachments with your email. First, when you are in your inbox, click on the Compose button. Now, as shown in image, click on Attach Files. Click the Browse button next to the text boxes. A window will pop up and from here, choose all the files you would like to send. Click OK. If you would send more files on the same message, repeat those steps using another of boxes. When you're finished, click Attach Files and you're ready to go.